for you. For scaring those things away.
Here are the painted brake calipers, new brake pads and rotors. Before, just doing a quick comparison. The caliper, I just used my hand and it seems to be about the same width. So I don't know if these are the same. Coming over here, these brackets are definitely different. If you look here, this jogs around and this one does not. I know that the mounting holes are the same, and I also know that the rotor, this is the GC8 one, the one below it, if you see that outline, is the WRX's, so there's definitely more braking surface area. So I think with that rotor, this bracket, which accepts like a wider brake pad, this might actually be the same. Let me know if it's different. That's what gives this more stopping power. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I heard that the WRX brakes have more stopping power than the GC8s. And I already pulled these off and painted them red. Rear before. I'm pretty sure the rears are the same from the WRX and the GC8 because the pads are the same. The bracket looks, well, if the pads are the same, then the bracket's the same. And then this caliper appears to be the same as well. I have the GC8 rotor stacked on top of the WRX one, and it's the same diameter as well.
This is for you.